tu veux passer ici, ouais. Sinon, on passe ici à côté.
Quoi?
Take out the chainsaw. Yeah? C'est Joe! Back up. Give it a little shot. Okay. Little shot. Whoop. Bombardier!
To be nice, I'm getting stuck on a lot.
Ah, you're in a hole there. Look, you're in a hole.
Yeah, it's a big hole, dude.
Go left. Go a bit left. Towards the tree. Or that.
Oh my god.
Pas sérieux. Just go lock. Spin, spin, spin. Though the other one catches on. Go, go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. T'es pas sérieux. Yeah, it's better there.
C'est Joe.
Nothing here.
That way, straight. Joe.
The trail is right there. No, this is the trail. The trail is over there.
Well, Joe's right about that.
Well, we have to cut through by here.
Why by here?
Man, look how many trees there is, bro.
Over there, how are you gonna pass by there?
I don't have a fucking Arco. I have a phone with me.
Yeah, but this tree we cut it, or you go around it by here. Toute la forêt.
You can't just pass by there.
C'est lieu. Ça marche pas ici, petit Joe.